Hey guys, I want to talk to you about fault codes and what does a computer actually tell you when you have a fault code, like you got a check engine light. So we have a BMW customer here, check engine light came on, and most people think that you just hook up a scan tool and it just tells you exactly what's wrong, but that is not the case. And let me show you exactly what we see as technicians. So if you can see the screen here, we have two fault codes. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me see if I get a better angle here. But we have two fault codes. Well, let me read them to you. Fault code 1 is mixture preparation bank 1. The other fault code is mixture preparation bank 2. That's the codes we have. So what do you need? You know, the computer is not telling us exactly what's wrong, it just tells us what it's reporting. So it's up to us as a technician to find out what the actual problem is. So here, what that tells us is that typically comes on because you have a vacuum leak of some kind. And a vacuum leak can be difficult to find in some cases. So we had to hook up this smoke machine. We have a smoke machine here that we use, and we hook it up to the car. We had to remove the air filter, the air box, and we hook up this hose here, goes into the car. We apply the smoke to the smoke machine, and basically we wait to see where the smoke comes out. So that's we found a hose that was leaking, and we're going to repair that hose. And then once we repair the hose, we're going to do this test again to make sure there's not a second leak. So just people think that you hook up a scan tool and it just tells you exactly what's wrong. That's just not the case. So I want to show you from our perspective what it is we have to do to properly diagnose a vehicle. It's not a guessing game. I know some people go to Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone or wherever, and they will do a free diagnostic check, and they'll hook up a scan tool and they'll tell you what part you need. And if that part doesn't fix it, they'll be happy to sell you another part, and then another part. And then you've got all this money into it. When they can't figure it out by putting parts in it, they'll tell you to come see a specialist. So it's the best thing to do is just to have it done right the first time and have it properly diagnosed. Anyway, I hope this gives you guys some insight. Thanks for watching.